In this video, we will show you how to change Docker Engine container from Linux to using Windows container. In here, if we type Docker version, the container on Docker Engine is run for Linux. Then, if we want to change or switch into Windows applications, we can change on the Docker icon in here and right click and then switch to Windows container. Then you can click switch in here. Wait for a while until Docker is starting again in here. After that, you can try to running again the command docker version to see what the containers. You can see there for Docker container in here is changed to Windows, so you can deploy application for Windows. That's all.